Right now is 1700 October 4th, 2025. UTC plus 3, this is Seversky district of Leningrad Oblast, just 100 meters away, no, 50 meters away from St. Petersburg, from the Krasnogvardeyski district of St. Petersburg, and I just want to check this camera, like if it's working. It's pretty much working, so I just wanted to conclude my third quarter of 2025, and what I can say right now is that there are a lot of things in my head. I've got a lot of ideas about how to uh, build the new deep tech startup, and let's get right into the business. I've been offered a few ideas. First idea is from my Bogdan, is from my friend. His name is Bogdan, about the processor. The second one is about producing chips on a monocrystalline silicon, uh, basically wafers, with minimal resources, almost like at home, with a vacuum chamber. You can produce like I believe silicon chips with uh, with transistors the size of 1 micrometer. That's pretty like neat. Or 15 micrometers. I don't remember, but like within micrometer ranges, this size is going to be for specifically those transistors. But what I can say is that I don't have much knowledge about semiconductor industry and microelectronics industry. I'm more like into molecular biology, more into biophysics, and my 2 cents, my 2 ideas to him was first to construct an enhanced longevity therapy for retinal ganglion cells. Basically, an enhanced experiment of Devin Sinclair, but involving other delivery vehicles for those gene therapies. Like one could be made out of polyglycine capsules that still contain um, single strand DNA of AAV2 coded Yamanaka factors for longevity. But unlike AAV2 native capsules, the polyglycine capsules are more persistent, are more, I guess, resistant to degrading within the blood. So if AAV2 capsule can exist within the blood like for 4 minutes, then polyglycine capsule can exist for like, I believe, 36 to 72 hours, something like that. And I'm working on those ideas, and I mean, just researching those ideas. And the second idea, not just that like partially came from me, and Bogdan also supplemented that, is laser chemical synthesis, and that's basically production of nanomachines with laser, uh, with I believe two types of radiation. First is um, ionization radiation, and then just after that we add normal uh, lights into a specific place in our vacuum chamber to basically bring the broken molecules together into a new molecule. And then we can create singular copies of nanomachines with laser technology. After that, make them self-assemble to a certain extent. And after we get like millions of these nanomachines, or like even billions. I don't know. Imagination can run wild. We can use these nanomachines to create more complex organic molecules for our production purposes. But I'm not really sure if it's going to be better than genetically engineered bacteria that produce some really complex protein, like insulin, for example. It can do this. And many more molecules can also be produced through bacteria. Um, right now, I'm in the third year of physics program in St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. Um, I don't really have anything much to say. I'm trying to balance my life, like college studies, projects, fitness, personal life. That's really hard, but I think I'm successful. I'm managing that well, but I hope to manage that even better than I do now currently. Um, there's also like an allure of me either becoming a private market analyst or a quantitative trader. But we'll see how everything will go out. I just want to wish everyone to have a great quarter ahead, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But let me know in the comments or through other communication channels. What do you expect for this fourth quarter of 2025? What do you expect like in 2026? What are your plans? I'll be glad to talk to you about that. And yeah, Jesus, there's nothing to talk about. There's not much to talk about anymore. I guess it's better to just go now and see what happens. Also, I am searching for other programs in masters level, like abroad and within Russian Federation as well. Maybe I should come here more prepared instead of just speaking out my mind, totally unscripted without bullet points. I mean, good improvisation is really good up to a certain extent because you still need to have some ideas of what to talk about, and maybe that makes sense to bring out with you a paper with bullet points written down so that you can look at that and see which things you want to talk about. And maybe that's also an idea for a podcast. Who knows? Maybe I should record one someday. Not for like um, some specific purpose, but maybe for entertainment purposes. My own entertainment and for entertainment of the viewers and people who are also going to be on this podcast. That's a pretty good idea. Okay, I'm not gonna keep it much longer. Just want to express my thoughts. Just want to focus more on the things that I do. And one thing to also to express is that wow, there's like a helicopter right there. Um, one thing to express is that the longevity therapy project is probably the most important one. It's really about longevity. And I believe that longevity is a subset of regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine sort of leads to expanded lifespan. And we need expanded lifespan in order to have time for other projects as well. This is probably, I believe this should be the top priority, not just of me, but of the national economy, of the world economy as well. Basically, human lifespan. Okay. I wish you good luck. See you later.